Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about amines. What do you mean by amines? Amines are organic derivatives of ammonia in which one, two or all the three atoms of hydrogen are replaced by alkyl or aryl substituents. Amines can be classified into primary, secondary or tertiary depending upon whether one, two or three hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. So, primary group having the functional group of NH2 like CH3 NH2, that is called methyl amine, or CH3 CH2 NH2. This amine is also a primary amine called ethyl amine. Or this is another primary amine CH3 thrice NH2, that is called third butyl amine. All these amine groups are primary amine having functional group of NH2. Whereas this amine is a secondary amine having functional group of NH, CH3 twice NH. That is called dimethyl amine. That is a secondary amine. And another category is tertiary amine, that is CH3 thrice N. That is a tertiary amine, trimethyl amine. All these amines are alkyl amines, and there is lot of aromatic amines. A very important aromatic amine is called basic aromatic amine is our aniline. This is the structure of aniline, C6H5 NH2. Again, this is a primary amine. This is also a primary amine, but this is aromatic primary amine. And here it is also a primary amine, C6H4 NH2 CH3, and it is called orthotoluidine. And this is our secondary amine, aromatic amine called N-methyl aniline having functional group of NH. And this is our tertiary amine having name NN dimethyl aniline. Next is methods of preparation of amines. How can you prepare amines? First method is from alkyl halides and benzyl halides. And the method of preparation is ammonolysis. What do you mean by ammonolysis? Ammonia molecule can be used for the cleavage of carbon to halogen bonds. That is called ammonolysis. So here ammonia adds to this alkyl halide, it will converted into RNH3 plus X minus. That is, the lone pair of electrons present in this nitrogen attacks on carbon and X minus getting eliminated. And we get RNH3 plus X minus. That is a salt. It is called substituted ammonium salt. Here plus charge is present due to the loss of lone pair of electrons present in the nitrogen. Followed by the reaction with the sodium hydroxide, salt will eliminates HX and converted into RNH2. So, in the first step, ammonolysis of the alkyl halide, it will converted into primary amine RNH2. Again, this is a nucleophile, lone pair of electrons present in nitrogen. So, this NH2 group can attack another alkyl halide by the donation of lone pair of electrons present in this nitrogen, same as our ammonia. So, it can be further reacts with another molecule of alkyl halide and converted into secondary amine by the elimination of HX. It will converted into R2NH, that is our secondary amine. Again, it is another nucleophile having lone pair of electrons present in nitrogen. So, it can react with another molecule of alkyl halide, and by the elimination of HX, it will converted into tertiary amine R3N by the elimination of HX. Again, it can act as a nucleophile. It reacts with the alkyl halide and it will converted into quaternary ammonium salt R4N plus X minus. Here there is no lone pair of electrons present in this nitrogen. So, it can't react further with any other RX, alkyl halides. So, the chain reaction can happen from primary amine to quaternary ammonium salts if there is excess alkyl halide. Another method of preparation is Gabriel-Thallamide synthesis. It is a specific reaction to prepare pure primary alkyl or aryl amines. This is our Thallamide. We know that what is the structure of phthalic acid, which on reaction with amines, it will converted into Thallamide. This is the structure of Thallamide. Thallamide, when treated with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it yields its potassium salts by the elimination of water. This is the potassium salt of Thallamide. When it is again heating with the alkyl halide like RX, it yields N substituted Thallamide by the elimination of KX. This is our N substituted Thallamide. Which on hydrolysis we get phthalic acid and primary amine RNH2. So, it is a specific reaction for the preparation of primary amines only. Another method of preparation is from nitro compounds. By the reduction of nitro compounds, we can prepare amines. We have used different types of reducing agents like hydrogen in the presence of palladium or hydrogen in the presence of platinum. All these two reactions are catalytic hydrogenation reaction, or we can use lithium aluminium hydride as a reducing agent. That is a hydride ion transfer reduction. So, either by catalytic reduction or by metal hydride reduction, we can convert nitro compounds into amines. So, here RNO2 is converted into RNH2. That is our primary amine. For example, this is our nitrobenzene. In the presence of SN, tin HCl, it will converted into C6H5NH2. That is another catalytic reduction. Then another method of preparation is from nitriles and isonitriles. Same as nitro compounds. Here the reaction is reduction. Reduction of nitriles converted into amines. We have different types of reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic reduction, that is hydrogen in the presence of Raney nickel, or we can use sodium in the presence of alcohol, that is another category of reduction, that is electron transfer reduction, sodium in the presence of alcohol. All these reactions can give nitrile compounds into our amine. So this is our nitrile RC triple bond and converted into RCH2NH2. That is our primary amine. And we can use different types of reducing agents. Then how can you synthesize this nitrile compounds? This nitrile compounds can be synthesized from alkyl halide. So we can write alkyl halides on reaction with the alcoholic KCN. It will converted into RCN by the elimination of KX. That is our nitrile compounds. Nitrile compounds can be converted into our amine by the reduction of nitrile groups using different reducing agents. So, how can you convert alkyl halides into amine? That is another reaction. First reaction from alkyl halides we already discussed in the last slide. Here also we can say that from alkyl halides we can synthesize amine. First one, alkyl halides reacts with the alcoholic potassium cyanide. It will converted into our alkyl cyanides by the elimination of KX. Followed by the reduction, it will converted into amine. For example, this is C6H5CN, that is our phenyl cyanide, or it is called a benzonitrile, which on reduction it will converted into C6H5CH2NH2, that is our benzyl amine. This is our isonitriles. Here isonitriles can be converted into secondary amine by the reduction of isonitriles using lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic reduction. Here the catalyst used is Raney nickel, or metal hydride reduction or electron transfer reduction can be applied for the reduction of isonitriles into secondary amine. Here isonitriles converted into RNHCH3, that is our secondary amine. The important point to notice that the reduction of isonitriles gives secondary amine, not primary amine. Whereas reduction of nitrile groups gives primary amine. Next is preparation of amines from amides. First method is reduction of amides. This is our amide and it is a primary amide RCONH2. It can be reduced into primary amine by the reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride or sodium in the presence of alcohol. Same way, secondary amide. This is a secondary amide RCO NHR. It can be reduced into secondary amine using different reducing agents. Similarly, tertiary amide can be also reduced into tertiary amines. Another important reaction is Hofmann's bromamide reaction. That is a very familiar reaction. Hofmann's bromamide reaction or Hofmann's hypobromide reaction or Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. The mechanism of Hofmann bromamide's reaction is already studied well. So we can write primary amide in the presence of bromine and potassium hydroxide. It will convert it into primary amine like RNH2. So here one carbon is less than parent compound. So it is called Hofmann's bromamide degradation reaction. That's about preparation of amines from amides. Another method of preparation is from carboxylic acids, that is called a Smith reaction. Here carboxylic acids reacts with the hydrozoic acid and sulfuric acid. It will convert it into isocyanate. This is the functional group of isocyanate, N double bond C double bond O. And this is our hydrozoic acid HN3. Here azo compound N2 getting eliminated and one water molecule getting eliminated and we get isocyanate, which on hydrolysis it will converted into our primary amine by the elimination of carbon dioxide. And it is called a Smith reaction and it is a very important reaction of carboxylic acid. That's all about method of preparation of amines. Hope it is clear. Thank you.